And that's not the last bit of astonishing manoeuvrability we're going to see from this aircraft, which of course the RAF is known as the Atlas.
Yes, and in Royal Air Force service, the aircraft flies with number 70 Squadron of Rise Norton in the frontline role, and number 206 Test and Evaluation Squadron based at Boston Down. And at the moment they are developing the last of the technical roles of this superb aircraft, including parachute.
Yes, in the end 108 paratroops will be able to drop out of the Atlas, and they've been working up in other roles as well, low-level missions, operations from so-called austere or unprepared strips, use of night vision goggles. Number 24 Squadron has been training crews for the operational unit number 70 Squadron. Number 30 Squadron due to reform on the type this year.
Of the aircraft kind of give you a visual illusion that it's actually quite some distance away, but it's not. It is flying exactly the same 2,000 foot radius that we've seen the F-16 and other fast jet aircraft fly today.
Entered service the A400M in 2013 with the French Air Force, and is now also in use, apart from with the RAF, with the German Air Force, the Luftwaffe. They've got one in the static park here, along with Malaysia, Spain and Turkey. Made its debut in the humanitarian airlift role last September in Operation Rumen, the relief efforts in the Caribbean after Hurricane Irma. Two of these airplanes were involved alongside Hercules, which the Atlas is replacing in RAF service, C-17 Globemaster 3s and support helicopters. Loads they were taking, for example, food, water, building materials, JCBs and a whole lot else. And they found, as they already knew, but it proved it, that the A400M is able to deliver bigger loads than the Hercules into the same airstrips. Well, now you can see the aircraft has climbed up to 1,800 feet. It's not going to stay there for long. Soon, everything will drop down. Here goes the nose. And a very steep pushover.
And not just an airshow manoeuvre, that has tactical relevance. The aircraft will conduct very steep approaches into airfields when the threat level around the airfield is deemed significantly high, which keeps it above small arms fire until it's within the boundary of the airfield.
And what we're going to see now is the aircraft coming in down the display line for a fast pass, but it'll be pulling up and showing us the fact that it can roll to up to 120 degrees thanks to the fly-by-wire system, and this is also technically relevant, a pull-up from low level into a steep wing over and then returning to low level, something crews may very well do in operational theatres. just superb. This is a brilliant display aeroplane, quite apart from the effective airlifter.
Absolutely phenomenal. And this demonstration of manoeuvrability is something that will give the aircraft the advantage in the low-level environment, manoeuvring around the mountain ranges, keeping out of the sight of enemy fighters and under enemy ground-based radars.
Like any Airbus product, production a collaborative effort. The British contribution being the outer wing box and the flaps, which are built at the plant in Bristol. And the major assemblies are all flown to the final assembly facility in Seville in Spain for completion. And the choice to use this particular aeroplane from the Airbus Defence and Space test fleet, no accident prior to this show, because this aircraft, while it is currently being used for test work by Airbus, is going to become eventually the last Atlas to be delivered to the RAF of the 22 examples on order. And that's why, amongst, of course, other reasons, it wears the RAF 100 logo on the tail. This will end up stationed not far from here at Brize Norton with the rest of the Atlas fleet. And they're all British flight crew today on the A400M, both former Royal Air Force pilots, both graduates of the Empire Test Pilot School at Boscombe Down. In the captain's seat, Tony Flynn. In the co-pilot's seat, John Taylor, coming in to land, but not quite the end of their display, in the Airbus A400M.
Despite the aircraft coming to a halt there, about a third of the way down the runway, what you need to remember is it landed 2,000 feet in to try and keep that short field demonstration as close to the centre of the airfield as possible. The aircraft coming to a halt and starting to reverse in less than 1,500 feet of runway.
And the rear ramp down as it passes by. And of course you can get up close to two examples of the Atlas C1 in the RAF Experience part of the static display.
That if you are planning to leave by foot, would you please only use the red exits? The red exit for foot departures, please. Unfortunately, the yellow exit is not available for your own safety. Please follow the marshals towards the red exit if you plan to leave by foot. Thank you.